Have you come here to enter into marriage without coercion, really and wholeheartedly?
Yes, Father.
I have.
I have, Father.
I have.
You're a picture, and every piece seems to fall into place. You're the moment when I know that I will never be the same.
Since 21 years ago, sabi ko, after ng civil wedding namin, sabi ko, pinangako ko na mag-church wedding kami. Then, finally, natupad namin yung dream namin na magkaroon ng church wedding.
This love is the best thing I have found. Like a garden bursting through the ground. Every hope brought to life. Every day I realize this love is the best thing
Hindi lang kami nagsasabay ng away. Pag yung isa ay high blood na, ako tumatahimik. Pag ako naman ang high blood, siya naman tumatahimik. Naintindihan namin kung anong kailangan na pag-usapan. Pinag-uusapan agad, hindi namin pinapatagal ng kinabukasan yung away.
We're an ocean, a gentle power that could never be contained. Moving softly, like the rain that falls and dances on the plains. And every word that I could find in the corners of my mind will never be enough to let you know. This love is the best thing I have found. Like a garden bursting through the ground.
You're together for all those years. Minsan nag-fade yung love. Hindi masasabihin natin na ano, pero pag committed ka doon sa tao, and plus may love ka pa, then yun ang resulta. Magtatagal kayo. Love na love ko siya. I love her. Together our two kids.
You're the best thing I have found.
I, Arnold, take you, Geraldine, to be my wife.
I, Geraldine Alvarado, take you, Arnold, to be my husband
I promise to be faithful to you
in good time and bad,
in sickness and in health
to love you and to honor you.
all the days of my life.
Best thing I have found. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing I have found.
Sabi ko sa kanya, sana laging parehas pa rin ang dati pag may problema, pag-usapan. Sana walang magbabago kahit na anong mangyari. Dito lang kami parehas sa isa't isa. Ganun lang.
Have found.